Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update for Firefox. So if you are a user of Firefox, there's a small update. It has to do with people that use Nvidia graphics chips in their computers and that have multiple monitors at different refresh rates. It seems that the browser would crash or just be displaying incorrectly on the screen when that would happen. So they fixed that little bug on the Firefox browser with an update. Nothing else, no security updates or really anything else. Just a small bug fix for Nvidia users with multiple screens. So that is available today, May the 29th. And so if there's anything, it will update by itself. And if you haven't noticed anything, you can leave it alone. It will update anyways, and you won't even notice it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.